I'm here today to showcase how we like to brew our newest coffee, Muzo Ikizere from Rwanda. Today, I'm gonna be brewing it with the Origami, and we're gonna be using a cone filter. The cone filter is gonna provide a faster flow rate and give us some really nice juiciness that really pairs well with this coffee. To start, we're gonna be using 17 grams of the coffee, ground fairly coarse. This is again gonna highlight that acidity and that complexity of the juiciness. We're also gonna be using 300 grams of water. It's gonna give us roughly a 1 to 17 ratio. To start, I have my kettle at 98 degrees, and we're gonna do our first pour, 55 grams to bloom, and we're gonna let it bloom for 1 minute. This is gonna bring down the bitterness and again, highlight some of that acidity. At 1 minute, we're gonna do our second pour. This is gonna bring us up to 200 grams of water, nice small circles there. And then at 1:45, we're gonna do our final pour, bringing us up to 300 grams. This should draw down in approximately 3 minutes. If it takes a little longer than that, you might get some bitterness, some kind of floral. If it draws down too quickly, it might be a little watery. So really, we're looking for around that 3-minute mark. You're gonna get tons of delicious like strawberry jam, blueberry jam, floral notes like rose or lavender, and a really nice kind of white grape acidity all throughout. Really enjoying this coffee today, so check it out and try it out for yourself now.